Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you and start a new series of tutorials in which you will learn how to start your online business. I will guide you step by step from choosing a product, building your funnel, promoting your funnel, getting traffic to it, and of course getting some sales, affiliate sales. So I will start from the beginning with explaining the easiest model you can get, and that is affiliate marketing. So basically, in affiliate marketing, you promote other people's product for a commission. So basically, the product owner so-called hires an army of affiliates and gives them so-called affiliate link. You promote their product and you put your affiliate link that you got from them. And when someone clicks on that link, you are being tracked inside their system as a referral of that person to that product. If that person somewhere in the future, in the let's say 30 days, buys anything from that company, you will be affiliated to it and you will earn a 10, 20, 30 or 40 or more percent of commission. So it's very easy. There is no products for you to build. There is no warehouses, there is no deliveries, there is no customer support. So it's very easy to start, and that is why it's popular for beginners. In today's video, I am going to promote a product with you together. You will build everything with me. I urge you to pause the video and actually do the step. And by the end of this series, you will have a working, promoting funnel, which you will then just have to promote and build traffic to it, which I will also show you in this video how to do. So without further ado, let's go. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you just go to clickbank.com. ClickBank is actually a big affiliate network where we can find a lot of products. To register, just click on Start Here and register. After you register and log in, you will be brought to a page looking similar like this. On that page, on the left side, this page is linked here as a marketplace in the top right. In the left side, you can see all of the categories or niches. So if you open, for example, health and fitness, you can have some subcategories. In this video series, we will promote diet and weight loss product. So let's click on that category, and there is something very interesting to do: sort result by gravity. If you sort by gravity, you will have the most popular and the easiest, let's say easiest products to sell, or the products that are selling the most at this moment. And for this series, I chose the custom keto diet. I will now show you why. Most of those products have several things like affiliate tools. It's very nice if you find one which has a recurring commission. So average recurring for this product is like $20. So somebody can pay like a subscription and you will get commissions as long as that customer stays with that product, which is nice. And most of those products have this affiliate page link, which I will show you in a moment. So basically, this is even available in 3 languages. So if you're a Spanish speaking or French speaking person, you can promote to your audience locally in that area where you live, which is excellent. So when we go to the affiliate page, it looks like this. You will probably have to opt in. There's nothing to be approved, but you have to opt in order to get all the affiliate tools. What is good about a good product of ClickBank, which is a custom keto diet, is very high quality product, is that it has a lot of resources for you. What does that mean? I will show you in a moment. So if you go to the marketplace, you could click here promote, and you have all those sales pages you can create a link to. But here is a more explanation. For example, if you are running Facebook ads, then you have to go put your traffic into here. Of course, we will build a bridge page funnel, which will actually be in between the traffic and the product itself, because it's strictly not a good business if you just let your traffic go directly to the affiliate link, because if they don't buy, you will lose them forever. We need to have a bridge page in order for us to get their email address. and I will show this in this or one of future videos. So basically these pages are very interesting. Standard keto diet page usually contains a quiz. I can show you how it looks like if we copy and paste this link here. You will see that there is like featured in Quora. There are some disclaimers down that this is not a weight loss program that is guaranteed or implied. That's to be compliant with all of the things around Facebook, and if you're using paid advertising, which we will not use here. Basically, there are two flows for women and for men, and then you go through several questions. They say that you are qualified and get you something for free, and then when you get them the email, they will try to upsell you something, sell you something, which is a custom keto diet plan, which is, I think, a subscription product. You can see all of this here. So they have a coaching, a few supplements, recipe books, and the upgrade. But there are also some minor products before that, because coaching is like, if you see 7-day free trial and then $29 rebill. Out of this you get 45% recurring commissions, and everything else is 40% of supplements and 75 on all those digital products like books and lifetime upgrade forever. Of course, if they upgrade for the lifetime, then this recurring will stop. One of the nice things about this is if you're using paid ads, you have like demographics of customers that are buying this product. So as you can see, 80% women and 20% men between 35 and 65 years coming from this country. This is useful if you're using paid traffic, but it's also useful, as you will see, on our traffic. For now, tracking and pixels, I will probably cover that in one of the advanced sections, but today not. So we come to the landing pages. Like they say, we need to pre-sell or have a pre-sell page on our own domain to capture the lead and then send them into their system for them to try to sell. This is very interesting because we are just wanting them to come to our sales page and get their email, so we can add them in the email sequence, so we can upsell, try to get them to go and sign for a program later. And that is all our responsibility. For the selling of the product, the whole responsibility is on the product owner. So one more benefit of affiliate marketing. You can basically download the sales page here and put it anywhere on the internet, but we will in the second video show you how actually to build your own sales page using a free software, and it will look great, and it has everything for free, like email sequence is free, you send emails for free, everything is free. That's for the next video. And one more thing I want to say is this particular product gives you lead magnets. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something you give for free in exchange for their email. So usually you have to create this yourself, but as you can see, you will have a lead magnet, which is like an ebook of deliciously easy keto recipes. So we will just say, are you not happy with did you try something in the past regarding weight loss and it didn't work? I stumbled upon this easy keto recipes ebook, which I can send to you for free. Who wouldn't want that? They will come and they will probably enter the email, and then you will send them this recipe book. Of course, there's a lot of resources. If you have on an existing website, you can use those banners to promote keto diet and everything. And of course, when you write, for example, if you have a blog and write about articles about keto diets, they have like a list of keywords to download. And of course, they have email swipes, which is actually a sequence of emails you will send them when they give you your email address. They also have videos with recipes and everything, which you can use later, and I will show you how in your traffic campaigns. So if you open up a new Instagram account regarding, I don't know, healthy diet, you can add those videos as Instagram Reels, and in your Instagram bio you will have a link to your landing page. So I will cover that in the traffic video a few weeks later. And if everything else is covered here. So basically this is the overview of the whole series of videos I will create for you, and that you will be able to follow. So don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to not miss any other videos. I will probably have all the links to other videos in the description of this video as soon as they are public on YouTube, so stay tuned for the next one.